shadows have drifted away, and I'll be standing at the portals when the gates open wide, at the close of life's long dreary day. I'll meet you in the morning with the how do you do, and we'll sit down by the river, and with rapture old acquaintance renew. You'll know me in the morning by the smiles that I wear when I meet you.